So let's learn the tool Follow Me. So the tool Follow Me, the aim is to create a shape and to have a line just beside, and to make follow the shape, follow the line with the shape. So for example, follow me, and here you can see the tutorial tool operation. In my right, duplicate a face along a path. So I'm going to show you, and I will draw a line like this. So here on the blue X, here, 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 and I create a way, and I will stop here. And just at the beginning of the endpoint, I create a circle here. I take the endpoint and I create a small circle. And I'm going to use the tool Follow Me to understand how this works. So here I have a line, and here I have a shape. So the aim is to select Follow Me, to select first your face, and after that you have your face, you can follow the line with a perpendicular X like this. Tack, and I can continue in this direction, in this direction, in this direction, and I can go up like this, and like this. And for example, thanks to that, I can create a house, for example, like this. And it is all the interest of the tool Follow Me. If, for example, with another example, I create a rectangle here, I use my push-pull here, and I can admit that this is a block of a house, and I want to create here a pipe. So I use a two-point arc here, like this. Small two-point arc, like this. And I close my segment with this. And after I have my shape here, I have this line which is perpendicular to my shape. So I use the tool Follow Me. I click on the shape and I can follow my line on the left. I can follow my line on the left, and I can create it, for example, this, and I can continue like this. And thanks to that, I created this shape around my block house. So this is all the interest to use the tool Follow.